Why is the price of silver premiums still so high? Even after huge sell offs that we've had over the course of the last few weeks, we're still seeing the American Silver Eagle Brilliant Uncirculated Type 2 2021 at $31.44. And that's the lowest you can get it. If you get just like one from, this is from SD Bullion, guys. Oh, whoops. I don't know how that happened. This is from SD Bullion. $32.44 is pretty much what you can expect if you just buy 1 to 19 of these things. 20 to 99, $32.04. Now, $32.44, that's just under $10 above spot, which is insane if you think about it. But I want to give some clarity as far as why premiums are so high. And I want to provide my perspective from the supply side. Now, here's a pretty nice, quick and dirty way to take a look at the, a bit of a value chain here when it comes to silver. Now, this is provided by renaissancemen.org. I just found them, so if you want to take a look at their site, feel free to. But I thought this is a pretty nice way to show the value chain over the course of, when silver goes from where it starts out to where it ends up in your hand. And this is us, unhappy. And we're unhappy because silver prices are high on websites like this because of premiums. But you have to understand, and this is something that I also, it was explained to me pretty simply through my CFA program. There are certain businesses that operate in what you could call perfectly competitive industries, meaning they may have a product that basically is a certain price and they have to take that price no matter what. And when you are in the realm of commodities, you got to take the price. And that's where things like premiums come into play, where you have to add a little bit extra just so you can make a return on your investment of getting the product and selling it to somebody else. Otherwise, they could have done something else. And that's where essentially premiums come into play. They're the return on risk. Or you could think of it as like it's the opportunity cost of engaging in this business. And over time, as you go from the commodities to manufacturing to wholesale to retail, for the general value adding of a value chain, prices increase from each level. So when you take a look at this chain, prices are likely increasing from each level. So when we see $32 of an American Silver Eagle, though it starts out at $22, you have to go all the way back in the value chain at from the people who actually dig the stuff up out the ground or find it. They sell it at a particular cost plus some kind of premium, most likely, to another person, the next person up in the value chain. It might be the refiners. And then refiners do their thing. There's a cost for them actually refining. And then they add that cost on top of the actual metal. They sell it to these guys, the mints. The mints do the same thing. They sell it to the distributors. The distributors do the same thing and sell it to the online dealers. And the online dealers do the same thing. And then they sell it down to us. So by the time it gets to us, money is added here. Then it gets kicked down here. A higher price is added here. Then on top of that, another higher price. Then on top of that, another higher price. And then we get $32 silver by the time it gets kicked down to us. So how do we, or when should we expect to see lower prices in silver? Well, here's the thing. Currently, we're going through, we're currently existing in a time where supply chain issues are running rampant throughout most industries. And the thing that we have to understand is that we're we watch this stuff every day, and I talk about this pretty much on most days on this channel regarding inflation and supply chains causing those issues. The reason what we're actually seeing is inflation in premium prices. So possibly due to supply chain issues. So what we also have to just take stock of is that, yeah, we want to make sure that we're protecting ourselves by getting silver and gold and other things like that. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. I'm getting silver and gold. But we also have to take note that those same industries that we're engaging in may also be dealing with supply chain issues. And that may be why we're seeing sustained premiums at these levels. So I don't think that we should expect, I think that we should expect to see higher premium prices for some time, as long as the supply chain issues run rampant. And honestly, people are saying that, expect supply chain issues to be a problem even going into 2022. So for myself, a guy who's looking to get some silver, I'm looking to actually get one final tube of 2021 silver maples this year. So for a guy like myself, I just need to basically bite the bullet, get it, and just, hope for the best, basically. So guys, let me know what you think about all this in the comment section below. Do you think that the supply side is also impacting premiums and making them higher than what they really should be? Let me know what you think in the comment section below.